Problem number 40. This is from AMC 10, 2010, ABC, positive integers, such that A is greater or equal B, greater or equal to C. And then you have these two equations for positive integers. That's important. Find A. So the first thing that comes that you can see is that the number of A's, B's, C, like squares are same. So you have like A square here, right? Two A squares. Here you have B square, but it's like -1. Here we have 3. And then here we have C square, here we have 3. You have here 3AB, but plus 1AB here. So that's like balanced, right? Number of terms that exist in together in both equations are balanced. So let me take these two equations and add them. So when I add them, I get 2A squared. Let me choose a different color. 2A squared plus 2B squared plus 2C squared. Because we have 3, but with this minus you are left with 2. And then minus 2AB minus 2AC minus 2BC. And then the sum of these two, 2011 minus 1997. That's 3 plus 11, it's 14. 14, it's in numbers, it's 14 years. Divide both sides by 2 because we have multiple of 2. A square, or even probably, no, I don't want to divide it, because from here I can see squares. So how do you see the squares? It's A square minus 2AB plus B square, then A square minus 2AC plus C square, and then B square minus 2BC plus C square is 14, right? So you have like 2A squared, 2B squared, 2C squared, and then the twice of pairwise products. Those are the squares. So that's the first one is A minus B squared plus A minus C squared and plus B minus C squared is 14. So ABC are integers, and which means we are looking for 3 numbers whose squares are equal to 14, which means basically we have like, we cannot have 4. So 4 square is 16. We can have like 2 squares, like 2 square is 2 square is say 4. So like 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So what is the largest of these 3 numbers? That's A minus C, right? The difference between the smallest and largest, A minus C. So this A minus C has to be 3. So A minus C is 3. Oh, I can write it like this. A minus 3 is C. So the difference between A and C is 3. So that gives me 9. So 9. And then we are left, so like 3 squared. That's 9. We need 5 more. 5 more means it's like you cannot have like 2 square and 2 square. That's like more. It's like 4 square and 1 square, right? So one of these two is going to be like 2 square. The other one is going to be 1 square. But it doesn't really matter. So probably you could do the other way. You can just check the options, and so which means we have like A minus, let's say the first case, like A minus B is 1 and B minus C is 2. So that brings us something like this. If C is some number k, and then B is going to be k plus 2, and then A is going to be K plus 3. So that's it. So we have the values for A, B, C. Now you can use these 3 values and then plug them into here to figure out the value of ABC. So let's try that. Let's say K square, K plus 3 square, right? For the first equation, A square minus K plus 2 square minus K square plus AB is like K plus 2 times K plus 3. That's 2011. Let me simplify this. So this one has K square, this one has K square, and then this one has K square, this K square. So we have like 2 positive K squares, 2 negative K squares. They all get cancelled. I am just ignoring the K squares, okay? When I open the parentheses here, that's like 6K plus 9 minus, this is 4K plus 4K minus 4. I'm ignoring the K squares. So here we need to have 4 terms, but I ignore the K square. That's like minus plus 2K plus 3K plus 6. And then you can see that how many K's we have. 6 plus 11 minus 4, that's 7K. And then the numbers are 9 minus 4, 5 plus 11 is 2011. 7K is 2000. So K is not an integer. So yeah, we chose, turns out we chose the wrong one. So then the correct answer will be in here. So this is 2 square, this is 1 square. So it should be the opposite way, the other way. So in that case, we have C is K, B is K plus 1, and A is K plus 3. So in this equation, what changes is, the only thing that changes is the value of B. This is K plus 1 here, and then K plus 1. Okay. That brings, let me write on the equation on the top. Maybe. So same way, we have 6K plus 9 minus 2K minus 1. And then we have here plus K plus 3K plus 3. And then that simplifies to 4K, 8K. 8K plus 11 is 2011. That makes like K is, what is K? K is 2000 over 8. So if you divide 2000 by 8, it's like 250. K is 250, A is K is 250, A turns out to be 253. So that's the result. So probably this is one of the difficult problems in AMC, and this can take you a couple minutes to figure this out. So what you should do if you're attending AMC, you need to save some time from easy problems and then spend more time on this type of like problem where you have to do more work.